Hey people, so we just got back from this place called Paradise Beach, and this is Ayush, and we just got done with our bath and all. Ayush, how did you like Paradise Beach? Yeah, it was actually quite tiring, like we were on the beach, we were playing, and it's this particular place that we are staying in is called the Retreat, and it is on the promenade beach, it's in Pondicherry, and now we'll be stepping out for dinner. It is like 8:45 in the evening, but this is basically how the room looks. If you were to take a look, basically it's two rooms, and that's what I mean. Tomorrow we head back to Hyderabad. I'll miss this place, and it was a very nice change, and I would highly recommend staying in the ashram. And this is how the rest of the room looks, and truly people, if you all are in Pondicherry, you all should stay at the retreat because it's a relaxing experience. So on that note, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.